most of them maybe I think that have some experiences, but I take from Miss Amber. She always not always sometimes play games with her student, also Miss Dio too, and I too. And but something different is she take from TikTok topic, trending topic, to speak, to gossiping with her student. So she can know her student well, something current information about what happened to the world, what happened to this Indonesia or this world, because her students actually are in the boarding school where they don't bring any devices, and so from that Miss Amber, from the trending topic on TikTok, on social media, she can share to the student, and that can make a bonding with her students. I think that is the best part of our discussion.
Okay.
Thank
For
you.
the recent situations, it's related to the international community or Indonesian community?
Random.
Random.
Sometimes because there is no technology, so sometimes I should share to them. Sometimes they share what they know, so we get conversation through that.
Okay, in your English class.
Yeah, English.
What I heard from Wani is when she always try to make a positive environment for the students, like example, give empathy to them, listen to them when they have problems, and ask what's wrong with you, and maybe hug them when they need something and they need to share their problem and everything. And by that, I think students will feel comfortable and they can share to the teachers, and I think they will interested in learning.
Okay,
So that's will also the positive building with the students.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Bu. Now the last.
What I had from Mr. Dwi and Mr. Sahrial about number 3 were things that they have been using in their classroom. Actually, we understand about how to motivate our students, and then, for example, when they have some problems at home, Mr. Dwi and Mr. Sahrial always ask their students to about what happened with your family, and then Mr. Sahrial, he has asked the students, if you have a problem with your family, you can tell me, and then Mr. Sahrial will help them to pray, right? Yeah, to pray, and then like Mr. Dwi, he has given the motivation about what should you do after graduate from high school, and then some of them will choose to be an army, a police. And then some of them, the girls, they want to get the job. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it.
Okay, thank you so much, Bajo. So, thank you for conducting.
Group of 2! I dislike singing.
I dislike.
home. But I'm still here.
I just like doing assignment.
Very honest person.